That poll that I did, 75% of you said you would rather have a beautiful $2,500 island versus spending $175 and going to Mexico for a month. Not. You absolutely told me what I thought you would tell me. Yes, we want lovely things, but for sure, I'm going to spend $175 on doing the island myself and spend the rest of the money going to Mexico for a month. So here we are at this stage where, yes, we like nice things, but we also want to make some priorities, and living a simpler life means maybe sometimes we learn how to do things ourselves so that we can spend the rest of our money on adventure. So if you need help making that shift from stuff to adventure, from disorganized and overwhelmed to freedom, follow Solo She Goes. Comment below the butterfly emoji and I'll send you my little workbook. It's just a place to get started. So you can continue to have nice things, but you can spend the rest of your money on adventure. What do you think?